guys who throws like a girl.
Yeah, this is my outfit, by the way. What do
Alabama has a commitment from J.C. Hassenauer out of Minnesota.
What's up, dude?
What's up, man? There's like nothing to watch on TV right now, bro. I don't know what to put on.
You F me.
Why don't you put on some brown noise?
You describe what happened today.
All right.
I will.
I think you went for the obvious route.
No, the only one I know.
I get heat. I'm
Half
so.
a point to Schmidt.
Thank you so much. I got 1.5.
You
points.
can't give him half a shit. Wash your legs.
You're in a rush, though.
Right here.
Oh! Memory.
History.
Yeah, baby! Oh! 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 Oh!